What's going on? Welcome back to Duramax National. I'm going to give you a little update on the car today. Just started it up for the first time since I've moved to the new house. Quick little walk around. Alright, these rims are coming off probably this weekend. Sorry about the wind noise, by the way. I'm going to go back with the GNX style wheels. These ones just aren't doing it for me. I think they look good, but they're a little too heavy. So I'm gonna do the wheels this weekend and got to do a little bit of work on my wife's minivan. Pop the hood real quick. Just want to hear this real quick. Love that sound. Anyways, I got the heat shield off already on the turbo. I have a 3-inch downpipe I'm going to put on with a Turbonetics Evolution wastegate, and then electronic cutout, just get a little more noise. Probably let you join me on that adventure this weekend, and it's going to be the same day for you, but different day for me. I don't really have time to work on it today. Gonna go ahead and put this back in the garage. Real tight fit. Real quick before I shut the camera off, I'll give you a quick garage rev. Probably gonna put the camera away for today. Alright, one more last thing before I shut the camera down for the night. Charge the batteries, because this is actually about to die. Actually, I was watching YouTube, figured I'd give my buddy a shout out. Went to school with this guy, I've known him forever. You're gonna have to check out his channel, The Chosen One. He's got a Ducati and a Yamaha. A few workout videos, so definitely check him out. Gonna do some collabing with him probably this summer. But anyways, the real reason I turned the camera back on. This is my 3-inch downpipe anyways. Turbonetics Evolution wastegate. These are all parts going on tomorrow. And 3-inch electric cutout. Y-pipe and turn down. So had a buddy I work with weld these V-bands on. But anyways, I better get some sleep. Got a lot to do this weekend, so see you tomorrow. Alright, good morning. About to start on this downpipe. Got to take off the stock one first and go from there. Broke a bolt. Alright, what's going on? Sorry I didn't finish the car. I broke off that bolt when I was taking off my stock downpipe, and I had a heck of a time trying to get it out. Ended up busting another a tool off inside the hole. I drilled through the middle of the bolt, went to extract it, busted that off, so then I had hardened steel busted off in there. Couldn't grind that, or I couldn't drill that, so I ground it down flat and ended up drilling a hole and tapping the turbo near where that bolt was. So that's where I'm at now. Sorry, I forgot my camera at home, so I'm using my phone real quick. Figured I'd take the car out for a test drive. Haven't started it in a while. Just running the 3-inch downpipe right now. I just put that on. I haven't connected the rest of the exhaust. Sorry about the noise, by the way. With the manual boost controller. I honestly don't even know what springs in the wastegate, so I actually got it used. Came with the car actually in the trunk, it was just never installed. But I got it dialed in at about 20 pounds of boost right now. Alright, here she is. Got the 3-inch downpipe on and Turbonetics wastegate. Still got to put the heat shield back on. Just running, sorry, I got to turn it sideways. Just running the open downpipe right now. So, sorry, I started this video a while back, but been way too busy and haven't really had time to mess with the car. So I'm gonna upload this video for you, and hopefully the next one we'll be going back to the wheels. Nothing special, but the old wheels that were on it. So there you are. 3-inch downpipe running 20 pounds of boost. E85 conversion, cold air intake, 80-pound injectors. That's about it. Alright, let's go ahead and wrap this video up. Did not get as far on the car as I'd like. Did not do the electronic cutout. Also, didn't put the wheels back on. But you guys have seen the wheels on it already, so not that big of a deal. So just stay tuned. I'll get that electronic cutout on as soon as I have time. But go ahead and click that like button if you don't mind. And if you are not subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. Every little bit helps. Until next time, this is Duramax National. Oh, by the way, this weekend I do get to find out if my baby's going to be a boy or a girl, so pretty excited about that. Stay tuned, I'll keep you guys in the loop. Thanks for stopping by.